Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your ultimate walkthrough the Royal Mile in Edinburgh. I start this walk in the Holyrood Palace, the Queen's official residence in Edinburgh and the home of the Scottish royal history. Don't forget to explore the museums and gardens around this place before you walk towards the Scottish Parliament. Canongate Kirk is the church from the 17th century. Beyond, it lies a kirkyard, home to many of the great people of the city. These include the economist Adam Smith and Mary Queen of Scots Italian secretary David Rizzio. Don't forget to visit Bakehouse Close, featured in the Outlander TV series, or grab a weeping in Tollbooth tavern, or visit the People's Story Museum. Where the world ends, you can find the start of more popular part of Edinburgh Royal Mile, starting with an art installation of a blue man climbing a wall about Waverley Bar.
This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Islands.
When you finally arrive at the St. Giles Cathedral, look around you. It is most common place for local street performers. Right across the street, you can find city chambers, the meeting place of the City of Edinburgh Council and its predecessors. Don't forget to visit Mary King's Close, which transfer you in time the life of the city centre. You can stop for a visit of St. Giles Cathedral. The entrance is free. The Writers' Museum is a free museum that you can visit here. This museum celebrates the lives of three giants of Scottish literature: Robert Burns, Sir Walter Scott, and Robert Louis Stevenson. A bit of story time. Before you pass the hub, headquarters of Edinburgh International Festival, look across the street where Rabbi Burns has been spending time in a cafeteria waiting for a signal from his mistress across the street. But psst. Finishing on Castle Hill, you can see many places like Camera Obscura, Witchery or Whiskey Museum. Castle Hill is also a well-known venue during Edinburgh festivals. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel or share it with friends. Thank you.